let us start today's session. I am Richa Mutreja, and today we are going to talk about something really important. However, before we start the session, I want all my students to introduce yourself.
Everyone, I'm 9 years old and I'm from Chennai.
My name is Kiana. I am 5 years old. I am from India. Hi everyone. My name is Karunya. I am 6 years old from Bangalore. My name is Anish. I am 9 years old. I am from Thane.
My name is Ravleen Kaur. I am 16 years old and from Delhi.
So, what are we going to study today? What is this class for? Did Mama tell you? No.
Personality development.
Oh my God, personality development, right? Okay, so I am going to share a presentation here and then we are going to talk about personality. What is, okay, give me 1 minute. Here we go. So we were talking about personality development. So tell me, Vivan, can you unmute yourself and tell me what is personality? Do you know what is personality?
Personality is what makes a person a person.
Yes, very good answer. And I'll clap for Vivan. Personality is something which makes a person, right? So what is happening? That person is showing that what personality, what kind of person I am. Now I tell you one small story. Whenever I used to feel sick, I want to go to my favorite doctor uncle. Do you all feel the same? Whenever you are feeling sick, you want to go to your favorite doctor. The very first thing which that doctor uncle tells me once I enter into his room, it's okay, alright, you will be fine. So I want to go to my favorite doctor because he has very good personality. He has a good personality. He's a kind, smiling person. He has very nice and communication, right? Like Navya said, the moment she enters into the room, he gives her a chocolate, right? So what he's trying to say? He's trying to say that I am your friend. I am not doctor. I am your friend and I'll make you feel okay. Good. So we Vivan told me that what is personality, what I am, right? And how I am portraying my personality through A, B, C, D and E. Now what is this A, B, C, D, E? A is not for apple. A is for appearance. Means how am I looking? Am I wearing neat and clean clothes? If the doctor is not wearing neat and clean clothes, would you go to him? Yes or no? Not really. B is for body language. What is body language? When you enter into the room, he smiles. He's not like this sitting, come, I'll give you injection, come, I'll give you medicine. No, he always says that come, sit here, relax, you'll be okay. Right? Then comes C, D and E. That means, when doctor is talking, he's not talking very rude in a very harsh tone. He's talking very polite. Hello Vivan, how are you? Hello Karunya, how are you? Why you have come here? What is your problem? What is the pain you have? Like that, very politely he talks. And E is for etiquette. What is etiquette? Have you heard of this term, etiquette? No? Vivan has heard. Manners. Who was that? Very good. Who said?
No. Kiana.
Yes, Kiana. So, etiquette means manners. Manners that when we are going to some places, whether it is our relatives' place or it is our school, how we are making other people feel. Etiquette is that how do we talk, how do we eat. Even when we are sitting on a table and somebody is eating like with both the hands and mouth open, it is bad manners. right? So our personality we can show to people, yes Vivan, with the help of the kind of dress we wear, the kind of body language we have, like we do handshake. Do you do handshake, all of you?
What is body language?
That is your handshake, that is your smile, that is your facial expression. If you are sitting, if you know somebody is talking to you, whether you're looking at him or you're looking at roof, where?
Him.
Right? So that is called
Look at him.
Look into the eye of the person, right? When somebody is talking to you, when I am taking a class, am I doing like this? No. So when I am talking to you all, I am looking right in front of the camera, right? So body language is that how you look, how you talk, how you make handshake, smile and everything. Okay, so Abhi, I'll show you two pictures. Tell me which girl is looking more confident, the left one or the right one?
Left.
Who said left?
Kiana.
Okay, Kiana, tell me why.
Because she is like smiling.
Thumbs up for Kiana. She's smiling, and second, she's looking into the eye of other students, right? So, हमको personality development, we want to do personality development, right? So, what we need to do? We have to become a left person from the right person. We have to be really confident. So if somebody is asking you, okay, give me your introduction, there is a way of giving introduction. If somebody is asking you that what do you do, there is a way of telling that what do you do. Okay, so when we will learn personality development, we will learn how to become confident person. Right? So why we want to do personality development? Can you tell me why should we do personality development? Just because mama said to improve ourselves. So tell me one thing. Can you guess what is it? What is this? Yes, Vivan?
Phone.
A phone? A phone, right? So everybody's mom and dad has a phone, right? And in 2 years or 1 year, they change their phone because their phone gets old and there is a new phone in the market with a better feature and new style. You know, very sleek, light in weight. They say that, wow, this has very good camera, right? So every time when we see that, when something new comes in the market, we forget about the old things, right? Similarly, if we will not develop ourselves, we will not improve ourselves, like Karunya said, people will forget us. Do you want that people should forget you? Yes or no? No, no? So that is why we have to do personality development so that we become an improved person. Right? Now tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this?
Students.
There are students and there are teachers, and what they are doing, what the teachers are doing, they are putting some badge over the shirt, right? So what is this happening? They have class monitor. Do you have class monitor in your class? So we need to develop our personality, because if we want to become class monitor, right? So we should be able to show a very nice personality to our teachers, so that when we reach to the later, like higher classes, we become class monitor, right? Next, tell me, there are two drivers, right? So if you want to go to the school in a cab, with which driver, uncle, will you go? The left one or the right one? We will go to the school with the left one, but who will tell the reason why? Right is smoking, and the left one's personality is looking decent, right?
Yes.
See, so when we don't know anybody, when we do not know any stranger, we go by the personality, right? So what happens is, here what happens is that if we develop our personality, if we look smart, we make new friends.
Ma'am, right is bad.
Right is bad. Yes, Kiana. That is why our personality should be such that new and new people feel comfortable with us. They make us their friends.
Yes, and they be
Right?
kind to us.
And they,
Be kind to us.
yes, they should like us. They should become friends. Right? Everybody agrees? So personality development we need to do because we want to make new and new friends. Then personality development we need to do. Can you see a blue pencil out of all yellow pencils?
Yes. 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 Yes.
So in Kiana's, how many, Kiana, in your class, how many students are there?
Too many students.
Too many students, Vivan? In your class, how many students are there?
35.
35?
And
And Navya's class?
one Prisha also my cousin sister.
Okay, Navya, in your class?
In my class, so many friends are there, and one ma'am.
Okay. Karunya, how many?
friends? My class has two ma'am.
2, ma'am. Okay. But how many students are there?
Too many.
So many students. So in so many students, everybody, one of us have so many students in the class. So in so many students, how ma'am will identify that Kiana is a good student or Navya is a very good student? How ma'am will identify? Ma'am will identify when we have good personality. Okay. So that we should develop personality so that we get, what is this? Left hand side, what is this?
Trophy.
Trophy and the reward, the best student award, medal, right? So we all want to get the star student of the year or star student of the month. We want the reward from our teachers. That is why we should develop our personality. Can you see this?
Yes.
Which salad you want to eat, the left or the right one?
Right.
Right one. Oh, we want to eat right one because it looks neat, it looks hygienic, right? So that is why we also represent ourselves nicely with nice dress up, with proper grooming and the hygiene, right? What is that grooming hygiene? We will discuss in the coming classes, right? So
Ma'am,
yes,
left salad is so dirty.
it's so messy. It's not dirty. Whatever we eat, that is not dirty, but that's messy. We know that what is personality. Now we know that why we need to do personality development, because we want to become the best student of the class. The first thing we will learn, which is very important, is the self-introduction. Okay? So today what we are going to do with that pen and paper, I am going to draw. So everyone draw your palm on the paper. Do you know how to do that?
Ma'am, drawn.
Drawn? Show me. Okay, very good. Kiana, very good. Vivan, show me. Nice. Okay. Navya, Karunya, Anish. This hand makes one fist. And when we do this, what does it mean?
Yes.
This means?
Punch.
No, it's not punch, it's power. Isn't it? It's power. So, all of you have drawn your 5 fingers. In those fingers, what you have to write? You have to write 5 qualities of yours. What is that quality? If you will ask me, I will tell Kiana, listen baby. I have a beautiful smile, right? I have a jolly nature, means I have good sense of humor. I have big eyes, right? I have short hair, which I really love about myself. So what all of you have to do? All of you have to write 5 things which you feel that makes you your favorite. Means what qualities Vivan have? What Navya? What? Yes, Kiana.
I am beautiful.
Yes, write down 5 quality of yours which
Beautiful.
you want to share with your friend as well as with your teacher. So it can be that I'm good in maths.
Ma'am, you have to just write in the paper.
Navya, you have to write in those fingers, those 5 fingers we have drawn on the paper.
Yes.
So in one finger, one quality, because those all 5 qualities are going to make your confidence,
Yes.
right?
Fruits or vegetables? Those.
Not fruits and vegetables, your quality. What does Navya like about herself? I like about myself that I am good in maths.
Ma'am, after we are done this, then what we have to do in the copy?
I'll tell you, in the copy we need not to do anything. We have to give a self-introduction. I'll tell you, let others complete. Vivan and Karunya done. How many of you have written, Karunya? 2, 3. How many qualities?
4.
That's okay, no problem. Vivan, and about you? 3, no problem. Okay, so we will start with Vivan. Vivan, what you have written, tell me.
That I'm a fast reader. I finished the whole Harry Potter series, and I love the Avengers series.
Okay. Navya, what you have written? Navya, unmute yourself and speak.
Great sound.
I like to wear the clip. I like to wear the lipstick. I like to wear the bindi. I like to dance and I like to do my comb.
Okay. Okay, Kiana, how about you?
Brave, beautiful, brave,
Beautiful.
beautiful, obedient, caring, loving, studious.
Wow, nice, Kiana. And Karunya?
I am beautiful. I will do homework good. I like painting. I like playing chess.
I am good at maths. I am good at cricket. I'm fast at running. I am brave. I am caring.
Good. Very good. Now, yes, Navya, do you have any question?
Yes. Can I
Tell
show?
me. Show. Good. Very good, Navya. Okay, so why we did this exercise? We did this exercise because before we want to tell the world that we are confident kids, we want to tell ourselves that how confident we are. So when we know that we have so many qualities, it's just 5 that ma'am has asked you to write down. You can even write 10 and 20 qualities which you have, which you really love or which you really like. So now again we are going to do a small exercise. Why we should identify these qualities? Because first thing that we want to feel confident. I am so good that I'm good in dancing. I'm good in speaking. I'm good in maths. So many things which are good about me. It gives me confidence because those things are written here, and when I bind it, it becomes a powerful posture, confident posture, right? So this gives me strength. So all of you also have written your qualities in the fingers today, which are going to be with you forever. Forever those qualities, those strengths are going to be with you. Now, what we are going to do in terms of personality. In terms of personality, when, as you know, Vivan said, the first thing, what is personality? A person, how he is. So what you are going to do, whenever somebody is asking about your introduction, can you, hi Anish, how are you, can you tell me something about yourself? Or they ask, hi Anish, where are you from? Or your principal call you up and she or he wants to do interaction with you. How will you introduce yourself? You will introduce yourself by taking your name, the place from where you belong to, and then these qualities which you have written today. Right? So how Anish will do? Anish will do, hi, I'm Anish. Anish, where are you from?
Thane,
Mumbai. Right? Hi, I'm Anish. I'm from Mumbai and I'm good at maths. I love playing so and so, and I enjoy my friends. Whatever, Anish, 5 things you have written, you are going to speak. So I am going to do it for you, and then all 5 of you have to do with me. Okay? So I'll start. Hi, I'm Richa Mutreja. I'm from Delhi. I love making friends. I'm a caring person. I'm a hardworking person. And I love cooking and dancing. And my dream is to go to the Eiffel Tower. So this makes my introduction complete. Who will start now? Raise your hand. Anish will start? Yes, Anish.
my name is Anish. I am from Mumbai. I love maths. I am fast at running. I am caring. I am brave. And my dream is that I would be a cricketer.
Very good, Anish. Yes, Karunya, it's your turn now.
Hi everyone. I am from Bangalore. I like to wear a clip. I like to wear a lipstick. I like to wear a bindi. I like to dance and I like to comb my hair. Hello everyone. My name is Kiana Tilbani. I am 5 years old. I live in Mumbai. I like to write. I like to paint, and I like to become doctor or a teacher.
Very nice, and I'll clap for all of you. Very good job done.
Thank you.
Okay. So now I will take a leave, and we will meet soon.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.